I got my email notification this morning saying that I've received the amount. So that is exactly the amount that I have on my dashboard at the moment, and this is the payment proof. This is my PayPal, so I just received it. Money came through. Money just came through. So this is actually automated. This video we're going to focus on payment proof from Adfly. So a couple of weeks ago I actually showed you guys how the strategy that I was going to use on Adfly to make this sort of passive income. Basically you set it up once, you just let it do its thing, and then at the end of the month, when you have the threshold of $5 plus, the payment basically just gets through automatically. It's already set, and then once you get your first payment, you actually qualify to do daily withdrawals of those $5 if you can hit the threshold in the daily form. So if you're interested in knowing what is happening here, I want to learn more about Adfly and how you can get started, be sure to stick around till the end of this video. So a couple weeks ago I released this video showing you guys what I was going to do with Adfly. So basically today, now this is my first payment proof for the Adfly, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. So basically I'm just logged in on my account right now, and as you can see, today is the 2nd of May. My withdrawal automated, so I didn't even have to request a withdrawal. As long as I hit that threshold and it's end of the month, they basically just send out the money to your account. So it's already in my PayPal. As you can see, I got my email notification this morning saying that I've received the amount. So that is exactly the amount that I have on my dashboard at the moment, and this is the payment proof. This is my PayPal, so I just received it, and it's not a lot because I didn't focus that much attention onto it. I wanted to test it out first to make sure that it's actually paying. So I promised you guys that I would come out with this video as soon as possible. So right now this is an update on Adfly. So if you ever thought of starting Adfly, sharing links around so that you get paid every time somebody clicks on that link, then this is the best platform to use So as you can see guys, the payment came through and it's a legit platform. Anyways, so I'm just gonna do like a quick recap of what I did to be able to do this sort of passive income. Like it's a passive earning opportunity that you can, if you put more effort into it and double up on what I'm about to show you right now, you can actually make a decent amount of money from this additional money. So it's not like you're gonna make a living out of it, but just additional amount of money, maybe $10 to $100 monthly, if you can like get enough traffic, because it's all about traffic when it comes to this platform. So basically what happens is that you are given a link. So you have a link, right? So this platform is an advertising platform. Adfly is an advertising platform. So there are people who come here to advertise. So as you can see right here at the top, it says advertise, and then you have publisher. So publisher is basically you and I who are getting the links, who are providing a platform for advertisers to get attention of people, right? So when you have something like a website, you have a YouTube channel, you have a blog, all those kind of different things, or even just your fan page, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, so long you are able to share a link on that platform, that means you can actually start earning some money with this. And last time I showed in the previous videos how I was using Quarter to be able to get attention from people and be able to have them click. So basically a Quarter is a platform where you go and ask questions and have people reply. So you can add a link. Let's say you find a video, somebody asking about how to do something, you get that video link, and then there's shareable link, and then you come and paste it here, and then you shrink it. So when you shrink that video link, you basically go share it and answer on a question on Quarter, right? And then when people go through your answer and they find it very informative or something like that, and then they click on your link, that means now you are getting paid. So this platform will basically present some short video ads, like a 3-second, where you need to skip, right? You skip to continue to watching your video. So you just skip on that, and then you'll be able to get to a destination, right, where the link is supposed to lead you to. So as you can see here, I got the Spinner Script 2019 version. So this one is actually expired now, but basically when people click on that link to be able to go get the script, because I was providing for free, so I just thought, okay, I'm not gonna let anybody pay for the script, but instead I'm just gonna earn like some bit of money on the back end, because I obviously purchased the script. So that's why I was just giving it away for free, and now it's basically closed. So I don't know what's going to happen with this. I'm going to find a new script, and then I'm going to update it, and then I'm going to make sure that I continue earning on that one, right? And then also my referral link to that to create your own spinner. I also shortened that URL. And then different ones, some of these I did not, okay, some of these I did work out, but then because I selected this month of May, so in May, as I said, it's just the first 2 days, so there's basically nothing. But if I go back to something like April, you'll see that 757 total views, and I earned like 50 cents. So if you can 10x that amount, that means you earn $5 in that month. If you can 10x it to 7,000 is a $5. If you 100x it to 70,000 views, then that means you made an extra $50 in that month. So that's just how this platform works. So a total of $5 from 2,900 views. So if you can ramp that up, you have a lot of traffic, you have ways to find a lot of traffic and get people to click your link on a daily basis, then you can actually do much better than what I did here. So this is my first payment. Second payment, hopefully it will be something over $100 because I'm gonna try to put more effort on this and try to get a lot more people to click on my links, and then see if I can get this to $100, and then I'll be able to update you on that and basically share my strategies on that. But as you can see, they were getting 2 clicks, 1 click, and so forth. As you can see, you can just any video, any link to anything that you want to share around, whether it's something to download, it's a video, it's a website, whatever you want to do, just come here, create your account. The link to create here is going to be down below so that you get your account, and then you just have to copy that link, come and shrink it, and then share it. So you also earn 20% from your referrals, but I don't want you to rely on referrals, because look at my balance right now, it's 5.8, right, US$, but I've got like 2 referrals a year already, and I'm earning 20% of whatever they earn, right? So it's being paid by Adfly. My referrals don't lose anything. It's basically just coming straight from Adfly. But as you can see, the total amount that I've been able to earn is less than a cent, less than a tenth of a cent. So I don't want you to rely on affiliate earnings, unless if you find somebody who's really serious about it, then maybe that 20% can add up. Maybe if you get like 5 people, it'll add up to an amount that you're able to make on your own. But basically, I would recommend that you actually focus on doing it yourself, as I'm doing, and showing you some of the strategies that I'm using. So just look for websites where you have a bunch of traffic coming through. You can share your links. Quora, as I said, is one. Facebook groups is another one. So if you want to share, those groups where people want to go to maybe funny videos, especially the funny videos, entertainment, maybe a new music video, those are places that you want to go and share your link, especially on YouTube as well. If you can find those funny videos, and then go comment on the comments down below. Maybe you say, come and check it out, this video is also another release, or it's a better video than this, it's similar to this, I think you might like this. Just leave a short comment, and then leave your link in there as well, because remember, it will be shortened, so it will be something very short, something like this. So this is basically the link that I'm sharing to be able to get paid, right? So once you share that link, people will start clicking on those comments, because remember, people actually do go through comments on Facebook, on YouTube, and so forth. So just try to go on those different social media pages and try to leave your link there, but do it in a way that you're not spamming, so that the YouTuber or the owner of the pages won't actually block you from commenting. So just give appreciation for the video and stuff like that, and then leave your link in the together with your comment, and then hopefully people will start clicking on it. So as I can show you right now, you actually need to put a little bit more effort to be able to make a decent amount from this, but it's automated, it's automatic. Once set is set. So once set is set, as long as you are getting traffic and clicks to your links, that means you earn some passive income that will actually be automated. So the threshold, as I said, it's $5, so you need $5. So once you have reached your first $5 on this platform, and it's paid on a monthly basis, that means now you qualify to do daily withdrawals. So that means even any time of the day you can withdraw your payment, and you have it in your account, in your PayPal account. So how this works is that once you have that $5 for the first time, since this was my first time on the platform, I finally reached it, so I got paid on the end of a month basis. So now all I have to do is to reach the $5 in a daily manner to be able to withdraw daily withdrawals. So that's how you make it a daily withdrawable account. If you want to do that route, or you can just leave it to daily automate. You can also set it to just automatically pay out every time that it reaches $5. So you just play around with the tools and your withdraw page, right? So let me see if I can show you guys what's going on the withdraw page there. But once you set up, it's all simple. Everything is paid. So as you can see, all available balance, nothing. And then this is my total. As I said, this is my first payment. And then that's my PayPal email right there. And then next payment is June 1st, 2020. So that's when the next payment, if I reach the $5 again, I'll be able to receive my next payment on the June 1st. So first of every month, they basically pay out. But yeah, got paid. I think they sent it yesterday and then it came through today, because today is the 2nd of May. But then I'm uploading this video a bit later. But this is the daily payments requirement. So once you meet this, so you basically have to set up your withdrawal account, paid once on a monthly basis. So you got paid on one of these occasions, always on the first of the following month, right? So once you hit that, that is great. And then you qualify, and then account longer than 1 month, which is obviously gonna be the same as this one. So once you are paid in a monthly basis, that means your account is at least a 1 month older. So you've been on the platform for at least 1 month, and then account details not changed in the last 72 hours. So like your payment proof, like your wallets and your names and so forth. So if it's not changed, that's basically, that means you still qualify, right? So, and then the cash out limit reached, so you need to reach the $5. So once you reach this $5, it will automatically just give you the option to withdraw every day. So, and then bonus history and so forth. But as you can see, my first payment, it has been paid, as I showed you guys. The platform is legit, so if you're interested, go watch the previous video. In the description below, I'm going to leave the link to a playlist. Otherwise, just go to click on the name of the channel and go search Adfly on my homepage, on the home page of this YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see that. So anyways, if you watch this video all the way to the end, I really appreciate that. And don't forget to join the family by subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications, hit the subscribe button, and look down below for a Telegram link, a link to our Telegram group where you can join for instant notifications. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.